Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mawaz. My father name is Akmal. I read in prep class. My school name is Sab School, Amir Campus, Arub. My project name is ship. This is a ship. It is made of cardboard. Ship are used to import export.